All right, listen up. If you've got zero time but you still want to start selling digital products, I've got you covered. We're talking about creating products in minutes without the headache of starting from scratch. Whether you are busy with kids, life, a full-time job, or you just don't have the funds, I'm about to show you how to make this work. Let's get into it. Back when I first started selling digital products, I spent hours trying to create the perfect product from scratch. Mainly because my background as a designer, I just thought that I could make anything. And don't get me wrong though, being able to create a digital product from scratch is an amazing skill to have, and it is definitely useful. But let's be real, when you're just starting out or you're just super busy, you don't always have the time to just create everything yourself. I realized this when I wanted to get my new online business off the ground. I didn't need to create everything from scratch, and I also just needed a little bit of help because there were so many other things to do. And that's when it hit me. You can buy PLR rights, which is private label rights, or MRR rights, which is master resale rights. Or if you're really strapped for cash, you can start with affiliate marketing. I like to think of it this way. Supermarkets don't make the eggs, grow the veggies, or bake the bread, right? They source their products from suppliers. So I figured, why can't we do the same with digital products? There has to be a wholesaler for digital products. And guess what? There are plenty of them out there. Oh, hey, and also just a quick heads up, I've got some really cool resources and a freebie linked below that will help you get started with digital products ASAP. Make sure to check them out. Master Resale Rights and PLR, Private Label Rights Products. All right, let's start with Master Resale Rights and Private Label Rights Products. These are products that you can buy the rights to and then repackage or resell as your own. Now, the beauty of MRR is that you can sell it straight out of the box and keep 100% of the profit. PLR gives you even more flexibility. You can edit, rebrand, and really make it your own. So, if you're short on time, this is the perfect way to get your hands on something that you can sell without having to spend hours creating it. Just tweak, package, and boom, you've got a digital product ready to sell. Affiliate programs. Now, if you don't have the cash to buy MRR or PLR products, don't worry about it, because you can start with affiliate marketing. You could promote someone else's product, someone else's digital product, and get a commission every time someone buys through your unique link. So you're not really doing any of the heavy lifting, you just need to drive traffic to your link. And it's a really low cost, low risk way to start selling without creating a single product yourself. And the best part, once you've made some cash, you can reinvest it into a PLR or an MRR product so you can keep 100% of the sales later on. Bundle and upsell. Here's where things get really fun. Bundling. You can take a couple of PLR products, tweak them, and sell them as a bundle. People love a good deal. And bundling products is an easy way to increase your value. And once someone's bought that, offer them an upsell, maybe a more premium product or something that they just can't say no to. The key here though is making sure that your bundles are solving a specific problem for your audience. That's how you get them to hit that buy button fast. Automate the process. And finally, it's important to set up automation. Once you've got your products lined up, automate as much as you can. You can use tools like System.io to set up a funnel that sells these products for you 24/7. Through System.io, you can schedule emails, set up landing pages, and have the whole thing run without you. And that means all you need to do is focus on driving traffic. And trust me, once you get this rolling, you can make sales anywhere, anytime. Oh hey, don't forget, if you haven't already, grab the resources in the comment section below of the video to get you set up fast. Okay, so now it's time for a Q&A time. All right. Let's hit pause for a second and tackle some common questions that I get asked about this whole creating digital products when you've got no time strategy. Is it legal to resell PLR or MRR products? It is totally legit. But here's the deal. You need to make sure that you actually have the rights to resell. That's essentially what those licenses are. So some products will come with full resale rights and others might be a little bit more limited. So always read the fine print. And with PLR, those products tend to be the ones that you can actually edit and make your own. But yeah, as long as you've got the proper licenses, then you're golden. How do you find good quality PLR products? This is a great question because not all PLR products are created equal. Trust me, I bought some absolutely terrible ones and it's been really bad. Some can be outdated or just plain rubbish. So you want to make sure that you're getting quality content that people will actually pay for. The things I tend to look for are branded PLR marketplaces with good reviews or being promoted by creators that you trust. If they have already purchased something and had success from there, then most likely you will too. You can even check out private groups or forums where people share trusted resources. Facebook is a really great resource for this. And if a photo or a cover looks really outdated and designed really badly, then most likely the rest of the product is kind of iffy. I also go a little bit deep and I will try and Google the product or try and find some sort of evidence of it online to see if there's anything that might suggest that it's old or outdated. The thing is if you accidentally do buy something that is old, it doesn't actually really matter. It just means that you need to do a little bit more work with it to update it and make it a little bit more fresh and current. Or if you can't afford to buy MRR or PLR products. I totally get it. If you're just starting and you're strapped for cash, what you can do is you can start with affiliate marketing for these products. It's a really solid way to make money without having to buy any products up front. So basically what you do is you promote somebody else's digital product and you can earn a commission every time someone buys through your unique affiliate link. And then as soon as you've made enough sales, you can actually take that money and reinvest it and buy that PLR or MRR product and keep 100% of the profits. So it's really about building up to that point. What's the difference between MRR and PLR? Okay, so MRR or master resale rights means that you can resell a product exactly as it is. Usually you're not allowed to change anything. You just buy it, resell it, and keep the profits. PLR or private label rights gives you a little bit more flexibility. You can edit, rebrand, and make changes to the product before selling it as your own. So really with PLR, you've got a little bit more control and MRR is a little bit more simpler. But if you're just starting out and you don't want to mess around with editing, then MRR is really the way to go. Usually with MRR products, you'll find that most of them are branded so well that it creates a cult-like community around them. And the content inside is so good that the online buzz is amazing. It's a little bit like if you're a salesperson for Coca-Cola. So the brand and the product is so good that you don't have to worry about looking the same. I've listed the most popular MRR courses in the comment section below of the video, and these courses are all about digital marketing and basically you can learn and earn from, and they all have really good reps. And often what you can do to stand out with MRR is create a brand for yourself, and that makes you a little bit more unique. For example, your sales funnel, your social media content, your story. Anything that you can do around marketing this digital product will be your own vibe, and that's what will make it unique. With PLR, you have a little bit more flexibility. So I always suggest that when you get a PLR product, that you go for gold with first checking that all the content is great. That's the first thing. And then change it up. Change it up with the colors, photos, anything that you can do to rebrand it and make it your own. That way it's totally unique to you. And the one thing that I have also noticed that really pops off to help you stand out even more is by adding bonus products. For example, if you were to sell the Digital Wealth Academy, it's really good to have a funnel template. So you could offer your own design as a bonus to help people sell. P.S. I've put everything that you're going to need in the comment section below of the video, so definitely check that out. Now, I also wanted to show you, like on a big marketplace like Etsy, that you can get PLR and MRR products. But I do want to say that when you get from big marketplaces like this, rather than individual sellers, often sometimes stuff can be kind of the same. So I would suggest if you are looking at doing PLR or MRR, because you're basically going to be learning about digital marketing and digital products, that you actually take what you've learned from all of the different sources that you've bought, and you can also make your own version. So say, for example, you try something and it works and you find some other things that work better for you. You can use that base product and then redesign things and make sure it has, the PLR license, and then you can obviously add in your own flavor. So you don't have to just buy strictly right off of something. Like say you bought like this, planner, and you found that it's actually, some of it's good and some of it's bad. Then you don't have to exactly sell just that. You could make it more targeted. So you could say these are 200 mega bundles of planners. You could just do planners specifically for, say, graphic designers who want to plan their days and they want to get more clients or something like that. And then you could use that content and then make it niche down and then redesign it and, learn from it. So there are so many different ways you can use PLR. MRR is a little bit more like sort of restrictive because basically what you have to sell is what you get, but usually they give you a little bit more direction as to like how you can make it different and things like that. But I just wanted to share that little tip with you because if you're worried about products looking the same, really it's up to you about how you craft and you make it different. It's really your secret sauce that you add. Now that we've tackled some of those questions, you are fully loaded and ready to start creating digital products, even if you've hardly got any time. Don't get me wrong, there is still time needed in other areas, but this is the one strategy that will 100% guarantee you to save you time. And really the goal is to get started. The goal is to learn, to grow, and I hope today that I've helped you do that. And remember, you can grab all of my resources in the description below to help you get started. You've got everything that you need to make this happen. And if you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave any questions in the comment section below the video. I try and answer every single one of them. And make sure to check out this video because I know it's going to help you level up even further.